6 days, 7 hours, 30 minutes, and 10 seconds. It's your boy 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐲 Millie. I'm back with another one. Yes, family, that is when the next FOMC meeting will be upon us, and we are already starting to get a prediction of 0.25. Let me know in the comments, will the Fed do a 0.25 rate hike? Will they pause? Will they do a 0.5? I'd love to know you guys' opinions in the comments. So we're going to be talking about, why we could potentially be entering bullish territory as far as the crypto market and crypto space. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you guys like and subscribe, engage with the video, and let me know in the comments, what are you planning on doing? Are you aping in? Are you waiting on the sideline? Let me know in the comments. So family, we do have right here, according to JP Morgan, the Fed's emergency loan program may inject as much as $2 trillion of funds into the U.S. banking system. So if you have been hiding under the rock and you don't know what's going on, we are currently going through a banking crisis, and it seems like the Fed finally wants to turn the money printer on. Just in $2 trillion could be injected into the U.S. banking system by the Federal Reserve emergency loan program. So we're seeing the writing on the wall, family. Could we potentially get the pause, pivot, or cut that we were looking for? And we're starting to see more signs that the Fed here is turning on the money printer. And we all know, in the midst of a banking crisis, in the midst of any moment of capitulation where the Fed feels like it breaks something and they have to turn on the money printer, just in the last 3 occasions, we know that has been extremely bullish for the cryptocurrency market. Just recently, we seen that in 2020. So very similar to the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 situation when we seen mass capitulation. Think about it. Bitcoin's been through Celsius, Voyager, FTX. It's been through the Terra Luna crash. So many crashes, and we're seeing crypto altcoins, meme coins in some cases, hold up stronger than central banks. So we've seen capitulation from Credit Suisse, but they did get bailed out here by the Swiss central bank. And again, some people are questioning the tactics here of the Fed in some of these countries with these bailouts. As you can see right here from the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 letter, once again, it's the same progression of events. First, it's not considering intervening. That's what they always say. Then it's intervening. We won't bail out. Then finally, they provide liquidity and backstop. And we've seen this because so many different entities like the Saudis said, hey, we're not bailing these guys out. In fact, originally with the whole signature situation and the Silicon Valley situation, originally Warren came out and said, hey, we're not bailing out. But it seems they got that call from the back office and they instantly, came back. It was like, you know what, okay, maybe we'll just bail you guys out a little bit. It's not a bailout, it's just a loan. So extremely bullish for cryptocurrency because now people are understanding that Bitcoin is the answer. Crypto is the answer. Bitcoin crypto truly gives you financial freedom and financial sovereignty where you are in control of your finances, family. No middleman. Now we do have a interesting development here. Federal Reserve to launch FedNow instant payment system in July. So if you don't know what FedNow is, it's the Fed's version of a Venmo, of a Cash App. Okay, this is how they'll be able to track every business, every person, they'll be able to track everything through this FedNow instant payments. Let me know if y'all want me to do a video covering FedNow because it is very interesting what the FedNow payments actually cover as far as the utility and use case. So we can go over that. They also are moving to the ISO 222 messaging system. So this could be bullish for some of our favorite ISO 20 tokens. Y'all let me know in the comments. If I do see that narrative, family, start to come up, we will be covering some of our favorite ISO 222 projects. Now, this is the thing, family. Just because the Fed now is dropping instant payments doesn't necessarily mean that's bullish for crypto or even ISO 222 tokens. In some cases, people think the Fed now is in competition with some of these projects that are planning on rolling out infrastructure for interoperability with traditional finance and cryptocurrency. In fact, most people feel like this was all part of the plan, as 3 crypto banks have now been pushed out of business: Signature, Silicon Valley, and It was another one that starts with an S. I can't think of it at the top of my mind. But family, we're seeing here in the midst of these banks capitulated. Now the Fed wants to roll out the Fed Now instant payments. It seems like perfect timing. And we know a lot of these countries are now moving to the ISO messaging system, which the beta stage goes out in March, and then will fully be integrated in 2025. So, man, I was reading some of the highlights of the Fed Now instant payments. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. We'll do a video and cover all of that. Y'all let me know in the comments. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is looking like it wants to cross the cups of 25K, family. And we'll just have to see how bullish this 2 trillion money printer news is, and how will it affect the cryptocurrency. So I'm saying all of this to say what? Well, even in the midst of this, we still are seeing the DXY lose strength. And family, I think this is the time now. If we were going to focus on anything, this is the time where you need to start putting your plan together. If you've been waiting on the sideline, this is the time where you need to start putting your plan together, because we might not see this opportunity again. When these guys turn on the money printer, it's going to be trillions of dollars injected into not just the traditional market, but a lot of that will trickle into cryptocurrency. Now, why would it trickle into cryptocurrency? Because these VCs, these elites, these hedge funds, these businesses, these countries, even in some cases like El Salvador, understand that Bitcoin is the way, crypto is the way. And a lot of retail is starting to understand that crypto might just be the last chance at a opportunity at financial freedom. So if you're working on changing your legacy, you're working on changing your life, and you see what's going on, you've been here for the last 2 years in the midst of all of this negativity and fear, why not win, family? So if you're part of this channel, part of this community, we plan on winning. If winning is what you do, losing is not an option. It's our time to get our piece of the pie, and I plan on, family, attacking this market aggressively. I plan on attacking it aggressively. They're turning on the money printers. Let's be real. They're turning on the money printers. And in the midst of all of the negativity that they try to blame on crypto, they try to make this a crypto problem. Oh, man, crypto is the reason that the banks are going out of business. No, family. It is because y'all injected all of that money. Now you're trying to get it back. And everybody wants to blame crypto like it's crypto fault. It's not crypto fault. You feel me? It's the management, the management fund, the management of liquidity. That's the problem. They over leverage, right? Using OPM, other people's money, and then shit hit the fan. And when shit hit the fan, you know what they do? They point fingers instead of looking that man in the mirror and taking accountability and responsibility. So again, we're not letting these devs off the hook. We're not letting the government off the hook. We want our piece of the pie. And inflation, unfortunately, family, is a silent killer. You feel me? Why is it a silent killer? Because it causes stress, man. It's no reason all of this stuff's supposed to be as expensive it is. Like, people literally killing themselves to pay their mortgage, pay their car notes, and living their whole life just to pay off bills and debt. That's not healthy. All right. Crypto fixes that. Bitcoin fixes that. Let's tap in. Let's tune in. Now, so to my Tectonic family, we do have a few developments here inside the community. We had 2 posts, all right? And we usually don't get 2 tonic posts in one day, family, but you can see here the Tectonic from the official Tectonic page. We'll go over the first post was 7 hours ago. It says a new update is coming. We had to make sure that all contracts are audited and secure. Thank you for understanding. So, not sure what's coming, but it's good to know that they are communicating with the community, and we could see some possible updates and developments in the future. And family, to know that the project is audited and secure. They're dealing with tons of fun. Tectonic, people look at Tectonic as the future of banking. Why use a savings account where you can stake and earn way more interest through passive income through some of these crypto projects and companies? And that is the logic that the boomers are trying to play out, that everybody just wants to use crypto and mismanage their money. They don't want to have responsibility. They don't want to do it the traditional way, right? And now they're trying to catch up to technology by rolling out their own technologies, rolling out these CBDCs where they can pretty much track your payments, surveillance of your finances that you work hard for, everything to control the masses. And family, I'm not going for it. I'm Bitcoin, I'm crypto all day, man. And this is a lifestyle. I'm in it to win it. I'm in it for the long term. So again, Tectonic could be the future of banking. We also got another post here that says it's time together to help us, to help you, to help us. Don't be isolated. Join our community, participate in crew quests, and win for the big top community members. So if you're interested in getting involved with the community, make sure you check out Tectonic Tuesdays, hosted by my boy 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿. And also check out this website here, man. And if you want to be part of the Tectonic community and what these guys over here doing with NFTs, etc., you know, this might be something that you guys might be interested. I'll be sure to leave the link in the description. So we're seeing a lot of bullish momentum in the crypto space. We're seeing a lot of bullish momentum from cryptocurrency in general. I believe today may be a green day. And we may see some momentum here in bullish momentum, should I say, in the cryptocurrency space. Now, I'm not gonna go over everything. We still got to get these stable coins to peg, but I did go over some information yesterday. I think I seen a transaction that was over like 100 or 10,000 Bitcoin, some crazy stuff. And then somebody sent me another transaction that somebody put like 200 million into Tether. So we're starting to see some of that liquidity leave from banking because of the banking crisis, and people saying, hey, I'm not going to choose Wells Fargo, I'm not going to choose Chase, I'd rather just put my money in Fidelity and still interact with crypto, because we're seeing a lot of liquidity go to Fidelity for crypto. Or people just say, hell, I'm just going to put my money in Bitcoin, the safest, the secure, the most the best asset right now. In my opinion, Bitcoin is the best, safest, securest asset, and that's just my opinion, okay? But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I'm extremely bullish on altcoins too. Don't get it messed up, you feel me? I'm always gonna be a DJ at heart, but I'm starting to understand the true value and core values of Bitcoin. So if you like videos like this, family, make sure that you guys like and subscribe, engage with the video. I will be covering a few other main points that we need to go over. I think we need to go over, especially with the emergence of FedNow. We need to cover some CBDC projects that I feel like people need to keep an eye on. So please be looking out for that video on the top ISO 222 crypto projects. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬𝐷. I'm out.